Hello everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of the social media video editing tutorial. So now this is the chapter number 11, and here I'll be creating a TikTok video in Canva. So I'll be telling you guys how you'll be able to make that. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So here, as you guys can see, now I am here in the home page of the Canva. So the first thing over here I'm going to do is going to the video option, and from here I will just select the TikTok video. Okay, so here basically you guys can actually see the size over here. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to put up some videos. Okay, so for that I can basically take from templates. Okay, you guys can basically take different templates which are over here. And now what you can also do is you guys can actually come here. If you want to increase the size, you guys can actually increase the size of all of this as well. Okay, so come here. If you want to increase the size, you guys can come and you guys can increase the size over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put out text. Okay, so five or three things to do. Okay, so I will just write three things to do every day. Okay, so I will just write three things to do every day. So there you sometimes in TikTok you guys may be seeing there are different motivational videos. So I will just place it right over here, and let me just decrease the size of the video of this particular clip maybe to 3 seconds. Okay, so now let's see how it actually looks. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will just come here, and what I'm going to do is I will just increase the size. Okay, so let me just increase the size of the text. If I want to select different text type here, I will be able to select different text type here as well. Okay, so let me just come down. Okay, so here you guys can see I can just work with all of this right over here. Let's take this Carter one option, and here also I will be able to increase the text size, and let's just place it somewhere right over here. Let's place it somewhere here as well. And now I will just decrease the size from here as well. Okay, so I will just put it quite like this. If you want to decrease the size a little bit from here as well, you guys can also put or decrease the size from here as well. Okay, so I will come here. Let's just place it up over here. And now what I can do is if I want to put on some more graphics, okay, I will be able to put on some more graphics as well. Suppose I want to put out over here some rectangle box. Go to the elements options, go to shape, and from here you guys can actually put out some rectangle boxes here on top. Let's just put it over here, and now I will select this one, delete this, select this box, click on the duplicate option, and I have just duplicated this layer, and now I will just put this particular layer here as well. Okay, so three things to do every day. I do have it right over here. And the next frame, let's see this frame, how it actually looks. Okay, so here you guys can see this is how it actually looks. And if I want to delete this one, okay, so I'll come here and maybe I'll just delete this stuff. And now I will just put some animation, or I'll just put out some effects right over here. So let's give it a curve over here. If I want to increase the size, I will just increase the size quite like this. Here I will just increase the size. Let's take it here as well. Okay, so I will decrease. Yeah, now this side it looks great, and here also it looks great as well. Okay, so now I'll just put it right over here, and if I want to flip it, I will also be able to flip it from here. So let's come here. If you just want to make it an outline, here you guys will be able to make it an outline here as well. If you want to put the splice option, here you guys can see I do have a lot of option which you guys can basically choose from. Okay, so let's just take the outline option from here, and basically you guys will be able to select the color of the outline. Okay, so let's just come down. Let's just select none over here. And what I'm going to do is I am going to just place it right over here in the center. Okay, that it is the focus. So three things to do every day. And after that, I will just take another page. So I'll just add three more pages. So I'll just add total three pages. And now to this first one, what I'm going to do is I am going to write wake up. Okay, so I will just going to write wake up, and I'll just search it right over here. And from the videos, what I'm going to do is I am going to come down, and now I will just try to take a video of waking up. Okay, so here let's just play this video. Let's just see, and let's come right over here. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to just discard this video because I want to have a different video from here as well. Okay, so now let's come here on top, and here you guys can see I will just take this particular video. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to come here and just right click over here, and now I'll just set this video as background. Okay, so if you just want to go back, you guys can also go back from here. Suppose if I want to increase the video spacing and all, I can actually increase the spacing and stuff over here as well. So now let's just try to place this video, and before that I will come here, come to this page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy this one. Okay, come here, and I'll just make a boundary on top and here also in the bottom as well. So I'll just put it right over here, and now again I'll just click on Control V, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one here in the bottom as well. And after that I'm going to place my video somewhere over here. Okay, so now let's try to see how this video actually looks. Okay, so this is how I want to actually put my video. And the next thing what you're going to do is you are going to actually play with the text. Okay, so here I will just put this one, and next thing I'll come over here. I will take a video and I will just write exercise. Okay, so I will just write exercise, and what I'll do is I will just take the video from here as well. Take this, Control C, come here and just click on Control V, and again Control V, and I'll just move this one right underneath here as well. Come to this video, and again the same way, now just click on Control V, and again Control V, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it underneath right over here as well. Okay, so come here to this particular option. I will just place it right over here. Try to just place it accordingly. Okay, so now once I'm done with this particular part, what I'm going to do is I am going to take the video which I had right over here, and here you guys can see now I do have different videos. So from here, whichever I do want to take, I can just take that video right from here as well. If you want to increase the size of the screen, here you guys can click, and here you guys can actually increase the size accordingly. Okay, but instead of taking this video, I will just delete this one. Let's come here, and what I'm going to do is I am going to come here, and now I will just take this particular video, and now let's increase the size of the video from here as well. Okay, so I will just increase the size of the video, and I will just increase the size from this end as well. Okay, so let's come right over here, and now I will just trim this video down to around 4 seconds, or let's just take somewhat around 3 seconds over here. Okay, so this is from the starting till the ending. Okay, or I will just extend its timing to 4 seconds, and this one also I will just decrease its timing to 4 seconds. And now I will come here onto the last one, and what I'm going to do is here I have put waking up, exercising, and focus. Okay, focus on your work. So for that I will just type work. Okay, so I will just type work and click on enter, and here you guys can see now, here you guys can see Now you are able to put up all of this video. So from here, what you can do is you guys can come here and take one of the video from here, and now you guys can also increase the size. Okay, so I will just place it quite over here, and I am going to send this one to the back. Okay, so I'm going to come here, and now I will just go layer, and I will just click on to send to back option, and again go to layer option, and here you guys can see now this is already behind. Okay, so now I will come here and I'll just place it up accordingly, and now here I do have the video. Okay, so I will just decrease the size of this one also to 4 seconds. Okay, so now in total I do have a 15 seconds video here. Okay, so here once I'm done with this particular part, again I will just come here at the starting, and what I'm going to do is I am going to put on some text. Okay, so I'll just take this text right over here, and what I'm going to do is I am just going to put it here on top. Okay, so I will just select this one and I'll just click on one, and I will type wake up early. Okay, so I will just type wake, or I will use all the caps. Okay, so I will just say wake up early. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to place it. And here you guys can see I can also put the numbering. Suppose I will just select all of this from here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color to white color. Okay, so now let's see and let's just check it out. Okay, so if you want to increase the size, okay, you guys can increase the size from here as well. If you want to put on some numbers, here you guys can put out some numbers as well. Okay, so here you guys can see you guys can basically put this one quite like this, and after that if you want to animate this one, you guys go to effects. Okay, so from here you guys can see you guys can actually animate this thing up. So here you guys can see I will just take the hollow part, and for thickness I will just make it quite thick. Okay, so I will just come here, and now I will just click on Control C, and now I will come here, and what I'm going to do is I am going to click on Control V over here, and now I am going to put exercise daily. Okay, so exercise daily. And again, what I'll do is I will just copy this layer. Okay, so come here and just duplicate this layer, or I will just copy this one, select this one, right click, click on copy, come here to this one. And what you can do is you can just click and Control V. So I will come here, I will just put number 3, and I will write focus on your goal. Okay, so I'll just type focus on your goal right over here, focus. And now what I'm going to do is suppose I will just bring this thing down a little bit. Okay, and now I will just bring this one down a little bit as well, and I'm going to increase the size of the box, and here I will just put it right over here. Okay, so this part is also done. Okay, so the three things. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to animate this one. So I'll just come here, and here you guys can see I can use different animation. Okay, so this is how you guys can actually see how it will just pop up on the screen. Okay, so this is how I will just use the breadth. And if I want to scale it, here you guys can see I can just increase, and here I can just see how it actually looks. And if you want it on out, okay, you guys can just select it right over here. Okay, and the same one, same animation I want to apply to all of this. Okay, so I'll just come here, click on this, go to animate. Okay, go to animate option, and from the animate option I will just come here to this part. Okay, just go to animate again, go to the breathe option, and here just increase this one. And now here you guys can see uh what it is out, how it actually looks. So I will just select out over here, come to this point and select this one. Basically go to the breathe option, increase this one, and just select out. Okay, so now let's see how this video actually looks right now. let's just play it up. And here you guys can see how it actually looks, the text animation. And here you guys can see, and again, it's disappearing. And now here it is actually appearing again. Okay, so this is how you guys will be able to create it. Okay, so again, if you want to animate this whole thing up, okay, so here you guys can actually come here and you guys can actually select. Okay, if you want to put on any transition in between, here you guys will be able to put on some transition as well. Okay, so now here you guys can check how it actually looks. So here you guys can see the dissolve, the circle wrap, match and dissolve, and here you guys can see the stack, and this is the chop option. So let's just put this one and let's see how it actually looks. Okay, so the dissolve one is fine. Okay, so here also I will just add the dissolve one, and here also in between I will just put the dissolve transition. Okay, so now this one is basically done. If you want to animate the whole page, okay, you guys will be able to animate the whole page as well. Okay, so here you guys can see, now you guys can see how it actually looks. Okay, so let's select the stop one. Okay, so on enter, and here I will just apply this thing up. And now let's see how it actually looks. Okay, so here you guys can see the first one, and here comes the second one with the dissolve effect. Okay, and here is the third one with the dissolve effect as well. Okay, so this is how you will be able to animate all of your TikTok videos. Sometimes they do make some motivational videos in the TikTok, so here you guys can actually make some of it using this simple method. So now here, once you are done, you guys can come to this particular video and you guys can also animate this whole video as well. Okay, go to the animate option, select the rise option right here. If you want to increase the speed, here you guys can increase the speed. Otherwise, just decrease the speed quite like this. And you want it to move from the bottom. Okay, so come here and now again come to this option, select the rise option, and now just decrease the speed. But again, come to the last video and over here as well, select the rise option and now decrease the speed as well. Okay. So now what you'll do is let's see the preview of how it actually looks. Okay, so this is the first video, and after that comes the second one right over here, and here now comes the third one over here as well. Okay, so here what I want to do is I just want to come back. Okay, if I want to remove all the animations, I can just remove animations from here, come to this option, remove animation from here as well. I just only want to select this particular video. Okay, so I'll just select the video, and now I will select the rise option. Okay, and decrease the speed. Okay, so I will just decrease the speed. Come to this one, select only the video right over here, and now again select the rise option. Okay, and just decrease the speed as well. Okay, so now let's see the transition over here. Okay, so here now let's see the transition, and again I will just come right over here and I'll just see the transition over here as well. Okay, so now let's save it up. Before that, I will also want to add a audio. Okay, so I will just add audio and I'll just type motivation. Okay, I will just type motivation and I'll just click on the enter option. So here basically you guys will be able to use all of this. Let me check few of it out, and from here I will be able to choose the one which I exactly want. Okay, so here also you guys can see. So I will just take the first one from here. Okay, so I will just double click on this, and what I can do is I will just bring it here on the sides and I'll just increase the length, and from here I will just place it quite over here, and now let's play it. I will just come here and let's play it now. So this was the total video which I have just have over here. Just now we have also seen the preview. Now the last thing which I'm going to do is go to the share option. From there go to download, and from the download option come here, click on the download option right over here. Okay, so this is how you guys will be able to make a TikTok video of your own. So see you all in the next chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.